The most important thing when you're getting started is determining what your outcome is. And so, what do I mean by that? I start off most of my workshops this way is, what is it that you're trying to accomplish? And people say, oh, I'm just trying to get a deal. I'm trying to, that's just not going to work. If you're just trying to get a deal, this isn't for you. Okay. What you're trying to do is figure out a way to change your personal financial outcome. And mastering the art of making money with tax liens and tax deeds is really what you're trying to do. Doing one deal is a piece of that puzzle. So let me give you an example. Let's say that your objective is to make $300,000. I had a gentleman in my conference last weekend, and he said, my goal is to make $300,000. His name was Rashad. I said, okay, Rashad, if your goal is to make $300,000, then let's work it backwards. Okay, let's put that as a target. See, a lot of people just shoot the wall, paint a whole circle around it and go, I must have hit it. No, so $300,000. Let's assume that we're going to make $50,000 per deal. Okay, so $300,000, $50,000 per deal. I need to do six deals. So all of a sudden that starts to sound a little more, okay, I only need to do 6 deals. Here's the key with all that. If all I need to do is 6 deals, okay, and let's say the first deal I do doesn't make a whole lot of money. Okay, let's say, I don't know, whatever. I haven't watched all of my videos, my own videos, okay? And I make some kind of a mistake, and let's say I only make $20,000 on this. No, that was a lot of work for that. Oh my gosh, this isn't as good as I thought it would. Instead of saying, no, I'm supposed to do how many? 6 deals. I didn't say you're gonna make $50,000 per, we're gonna average that. So if you made 22,000 something dollars on one deal, well, we got 5 more to do, because I promise you, if you do 6 deals, one of them crack, you're gonna knock it out of the park. Okay, you're gonna get a touchdown. Okay, I just had a student so excited they won their first property and they made $30,000. First thing I asked him was, Randy, how close to that goal would you say you got? He goes, that's so funny. As soon as I said that, I said, literally, that's $2,000 more than I projected on my outcome of this. And so I'm on track. He was so excited, not about the deal, but the fact that he was on track. So it's a different way to look at this. And I've always tell people, if you spend more time planning the success of your tax lien business, where you're going to work it, when you're going to work it, what markets you're going to, what your average profit needs to be, you're going to make a lot more money at this. Be prepared to be successful. Spend some time planning right now. This is Sean saying, comment. I want to hear about your plans. If your plan sucks, I don't care. Give it to me. I'll give you some feedback on it. I watch all the comments in there. Okay. Like, subscribe. I'll see you out there. God bless.